Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Ninjago Mech Sets is probably one of the most exciting themes LEGO has ever created. These awesome mechs bring the epic battles of a Ninjago universe to life, offering incredible building experiences and endless play possibilities. From the mighty Golden Mech to the fearsome Titan Mech, each set is packed with intricate details, cool weapons, and of course, the beloved ninja minifigures. Get ready to dive into a world of action, adventure, and creative fun as we explore the best Ninjago Mech Sets. Number 5. LEGO Ninjago Kai's Mech Jet 71707 Building Kit. Get ready to dive into the world of Ninjago. This awesome set lets you recreate scenes from Prime Empire. It includes everything you need for epic adventures. This set features a mech that transforms into a jet plane. It's packed with action and ready for battle. The posable arms and legs allow it to strike dynamic poses. Join Kai and Richie as they battle it out. This set comes with minifigures and a katana. They are ready to bring the game to life. This LEGO Ninjago jet plane rebuilds into a powerful mech toy with stud shooters. It's a great gift for kids who love ninjas and mechs. This ninja action set sparks imagination and offers endless fun. It's a great gift for kids who love LEGO Ninjago toys. The mech jet measures over 6 inches high and 9 inches wide. What we like. This set uniquely transforms from a powerful mech into a high-flying jet. It includes stud shooters for exciting battles. If you like versatile sets that offer 2 builds in one, you should consider this. What people say. The set is well designed and offers a fun building experience. The mech has a lot of articulation and can be posed in many different ways. The set includes several minifigures, which adds to the playability. Number 4. LEGO Ninjago LLOYD'S Hydro Mech 71750. Dive into the depths with this awesome LEGO set. It features a posable mech ready for underwater combat. This set is perfect for exciting adventures. This ninja playset includes Scuba Lloyd and a Moray guard. They are ready to battle over the wave amulet. Get ready for some epic roleplay action. The mech has posable legs and a cockpit for Lloyd. It also has a large sword and a hydraulic claw. It's designed for underwater combat. This set offers a rewarding building experience. It's a great gift for any ninja-loving child aged 7 and up. They will love building and playing with it. The mech stands over 6.5 inches tall, making it perfect to play with at home or on the go. Kids can take it wherever they want. It's ready for action. What we like. Dive into underwater adventures with this unique playset. It features a posable mech designed for aquatic combat. If you are looking for a set that offers a different play environment, you should consider this. What people say. The set is well designed and offers a fun building experience. The mech has a lot of articulation and can be posed in many different ways. The set includes several minifigures, which adds to the playability. Number 3. LEGO Ninjago Movie Water Strider 70611. Get ready to dive into action with this awesome mech. It features a rotating cockpit and powerful shooters. This set is perfect for recreating scenes from the LEGO Ninjago movie. This water strider has 4 posable legs, allowing it to navigate any terrain. The cockpit rotates a full 360 degrees, giving the minifigure a complete view of the battlefield. It's a blast to build and play with. Equipped with a 6-stud rapid shooter, this mech is ready for combat. The shooter can take down any enemy. It's designed for fast-paced action and exciting battles. This set includes 4 minifigures, Naya, Kai, Puffer, and a Shark Army thug. Each character brings their own unique skills to the fight. They are ready to battle it out. This LEGO Ninjago set is compatible with all other LEGO construction sets. You can combine it with your existing collection for even more creative building possibilities. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This mech features a 360-degree rotating cockpit and a rapid shooter for dynamic action. With its posable legs, it offers great stability and playability. If you like a mech with a unique design and great play features, you should consider this. What people say. The set is well designed and offers a fun building experience. The mech has a lot of articulation and can be posed in many different ways. The set includes several minifigures, which adds to the play value. Number 2. LEGO Ninjago Legacy Samurai Mech 70665 Building Kit. Get ready for epic battles with this awesome mech. It's packed with features and ready to take on any challenge. This is perfect for imaginative play. This samurai mech is fully posable and ready for action. It comes equipped with stud shooters to take down the enemy. The open cockpit is ready for the minifigures. The set includes 3 LEGO Ninjago minifigures. You'll get Naya as Samurai X, Cruncha, and Knuckle. They are ready to fight with their weapons. This set is compatible with all other original LEGO sets. You can mix and match to create your own ninja battles. The possibilities are endless. This set is part of the LEGO Ninjago Legacy range. It lets you recreate scenes from the Ninjago Masters of Spinjitzu TV show. It's a great way to spark creativity. This 154-piece set is perfect for kids aged 7 and up. The mech figure measures over 5 inches tall. It's a great gift for any LEGO and Ninjago fan. What we like. This samurai mech offers a classic ninja experience with posable limbs and iconic weapons. It includes multiple minifigures for epic battles. If you are looking for a set that embodies the classic ninja theme, you should consider this. What people say. The set is very posable and has a lot of different display options. The build is fun and the finished product looks great. The set is well designed and has a lot of cool features. Number 1. LEGO Ninjago ZANE'S Titan Mech Battle. Get ready for epic ninja battles with this awesome mech. It's a modern update on a classic, ready for action. This mech features posable legs and arms, allowing for a wide range of motion. It's perfect for recreating thrilling ninja battles. The mech comes with a sword and a spinning chainsaw, ready to take on any foe. It also has 2 spring-loaded shooters for added firepower. Includes 4 minifigures, J Legacy, Zane, Golter, and Soul Archer. They are all armed and ready to fight. This set includes a limited edition Golden J Legacy collectible minifigure. It also comes with a small stand to celebrate the 10th anniversary of Ninjago toys. Look for 3 more collectible Golden Ninja minifigures in other sets. They are a great addition to any collection. What we like. This Titan Mech is a modern update on a classic, featuring a chainsaw and spring-loaded shooters. It includes a limited edition Golden J minifigure. If you like a mech with a unique weapon and a collectible minifigure, you should consider this. What people say. The set is very posable and has a great design. The build is fun and the finished product looks amazing. The set is sturdy and can withstand a lot of play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.